All right, YouTube, in case you're looking, another great inexpensive watch, the DW5700BBM-1. Another one for $99, part of the four series of monotone, I would say, beautiful watches. Now this one's got the black bezel and black matte bands. Very comfortable looking watch. It feels really great on the wrist, and it's pretty nice. It's got the nice gold display there, as you can see. 20 bar water resistance, and you have the timer, stopwatch functions on this watch. So let's go here, check out the modes. Alarm, timer, and stopwatch. As you notice, on all windows, you have the option to see the day of the week, the time on the window as you use your timer, okay? So it's pretty cool, so you can not only use your timer, but also keep track of the time. All right, look at the back plate on this puppy. DW5700BBM module 3229. All right, and here is the tag in case you need the SKU number, DW5700BBM-1 with a 3229 module. Okay, now let's check out the backlight on this puppy. There you go. Very clean, very nice, comfortable watch. Great budget watch for any person who's looking for an indestructible, pretty much, G-Shock watch. Like I said earlier, this is part of the 4 series monotone watches. Gorgeous 5700. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video review of this watch. Enjoy it. Until next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boys. I love saying that. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar.